If you live in Scotts Valley, CA, you understand the importance of a dependable heating system, especially during the cooler months. Your boiler plays a critical role in keeping your home warm and comfortable, making regular service and maintenance essential. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we offer professional boiler services to ensure your system operates efficiently, safely, and reliably throughout the year. Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment understand how important it is to have a reliable heating system, especially during the chilly months in Scotts Valley, CA. Our experienced technicians are dedicated to providing high-quality boiler service that keeps your system running smoothly and safely. Whether you need a routine checkup or have specific concerns, we're here to help. What our boiler service includes. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we provide comprehensive boiler service that covers every aspect of your system. Our trained technicians perform detailed inspection. We thoroughly inspect all components of your boiler, including the heat exchanger, burner, and safety controls, to ensure everything is functioning correctly. System cleaning. We clean the heat exchanger and other parts to remove any buildup that could hinder performance and efficiency. Leak detection. We check for any signs of leaks or corrosion that could lead to bigger problems down the road. Safety tests. Our team conducts safety checks on all critical components, including the pressure relief valve and thermostat, to ensure your system is operating safely. Schedule your boiler service today. Our service areas include Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Aptos, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Watsonville, Cupertino, Morgan Hill, San Jose, Santa Clara, Sunnyvale, Mountain View, and Los Altos Hills, CA. You'll find us conveniently located at 736 Scotts Valley Drive, Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Contact us today at 831-292-5238. Visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/scotts-valley-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/